Hi everyone, welcome back to FBM Fox. In this video we're going to discuss what feeds mean and the two different types of feeds and the two different ways to create feeds depending on your account. Of course, some accounts look different than my account, and also how to delete feeds once they are created. So this is all related to Facebook Shops. If you enjoyed this information, go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. But anyways, here I'm in my shop, Facebook Shop dashboard. If you want to set up a feed, the best way to do it is click on Catalog, and then click on Data Sources, and then click on Add New Feed. Now, some people's feed section may look a little bit different, but you can easily click on Scheduled Feed. So there's different ways to add a feed. You can do an initial file upload. It's kind of a spreadsheet that will input inventory for you. You can either do a Google Sheet, or if you're using FBM Fox, you could just have a scheduled feed, because we provide you a custom link that just plugs into Facebook and has that integration on your behalf in terms of repricing and all that good stuff. So we're going to create a feed right now, and we'll click on Next, and we'll input the feed link and make sure there's no credentials. Click Next. Alright, so my favorite part about the feed is you can actually select how often you want the feed to be pulled in to update your inventory and things of that nature. So you just want to make it hourly. It's up to you. I prefer hourly, and just click Next. And you can also name your data feed. So the first one, I'm going to name it Replace Feed Schedule. And I'm just going to click on Upload. So what this will do is it'll create a feed which will constantly pull product information from the given link that you've provided. In our case, it's FBM Fox products. It will pull that product information in on an hourly basis. So right now it says 59 products found. Now the other way of creating a feed is by clicking on Items, and clicking on Add Items, and click on Add Multiple Items. And then just click on Data Feed and click Next. And now you have the same options. So again, you could click the Scheduled Feed and click Next, paste the URL that you've got from FBM Fox, and delete credentials if there are any. There's no credentials required. Then click on Next. So once you click on hourly, just click Next, and you can name your feed again. In my case here, I'm going to name it Update Scheduled Feed, and I'm going to click on Upload. Now once again, this is just going to upload any products that are in this feed, but this feed actually has no products. So we'll go back into our data sources. Here you can see we have two feeds, the Replace Schedule Feed and the Update Schedule Feed. One thing that you'll notice is if you click on this, it's a feed type Scheduled Upload, but here it says Replace Schedule, and here it says Update Schedule Feed, feed type Scheduled Upload, and here it says Replace Schedule. So just click on this and click on Settings. And what you'll notice is by default, Facebook assigns the feeds as Replace Scheduled. Now this is actually a bad thing in my opinion, because what Replace Scheduled Feed does is it removes all of your products before uploading the file. So let's say you have 100,000 products and your feed is only one product, and you want to add that product on top of your 100,000 products that you already have in your catalog. What Facebook will do is remove all of those 100,000 products in the Replace Schedule, delete them, and then add a single product. So the Replace Schedule is very good for deleting products, right? But the best way, in my opinion, to use Facebook Shops feeds is using the Update Schedule. So let's say you have 100,000 products in your catalog, and you want to add one product which is in your link, your feed link. It will just add it on top, right? So, and it will do product updates for you. So if you have existing products with changes in images or descriptions, etc. All those changes will happen using the update schedule. So, it's to make faster changes to selected items in your feed, and also change price and availability updates. And on top of that, it will also add products for you. So Facebook actually generates the replace schedule. So what you want to do after creating a feed all the time is generally you want to delete it. You want to delete the replace schedule and then add an update schedule with the same URL and the same things of that nature. So for demonstration's sake, I'm going to go ahead and paste the link and set it to an hourly feed and then just click save. So here I have an update schedule, and let's go ahead and check in our previous data sources. Here I have the update schedule, and then here I have the replace schedule, right? So that's how you set up the two different schedules, and those are the difference between the two different schedules. Now let's say you want to delete an entire feed, you want to delete a schedule, just click on delete. And then go to your other feed and click on settings and then click on delete also. So that is going to go ahead and delete both of your feeds. We actually had 3. I just came back, so now we have 1. I just want to keep 1. And that's the entire video on how to understand feeds, what the difference is. If you guys enjoyed the video, if it helped you out, go ahead and subscribe or like the video. If you have questions, put it in the comments down below. And if you haven't tried FBM Fox yet, go ahead and start the 7-day free trial. You can cancel anytime. We have an abundant list of tools from research to repricing for Facebook Shops and Facebook Marketplace. So go ahead and check those out, and we'll see you guys on the other side.